Artificial intelligence surrounds us. We use it every day. Our phones use AI to recognize our faces. Websites use AI to recommend products. But there's a new kind of AI that is capturing our imaginations: generative AI. Generative AI is AI that can create. This isn't about simple calculations or predictions. Generative AI can compose music, write stories, and even paint pictures. It's like having a computer that's also an artist. One example is ChatGPT. You can ask ChatGPT a question and it will respond with a detailed, human-like answer. It can even write poems and scripts. Another example is DALL-E. Give DALL-E a description like a cat wearing a hat riding a bicycle, and it will generate a unique image just for you. This is AI that can visualize anything you can imagine. These are just two examples of the incredible potential of generative AI. It's a technology that allows machines to tap into their creative side, blurring the lines between human and artificial imagination. How does generative AI work? It might seem like magic, but it's actually based on a powerful technology called a neural network. Neural networks are inspired by the human brain. They consist of layers of interconnected nodes that process information. By analyzing vast amounts of data, these networks can learn patterns and relationships. Think of it like this. Imagine showing a child thousands of pictures of cats. Over time, the child's brain starts to recognize the features that make a cat a cat. Neural networks work in a similar way. Generative AI takes this learning process a step further. Once a neural network understands the patterns in the data, it can use this knowledge to create something entirely new. It's like the child, now able to draw their own unique cat based on everything they've learned. This ability to learn from data and generate new content is what makes generative AI so powerful. It's a technology that has the potential to revolutionize many aspects of our lives. Generative AI is rapidly gaining popularity, and it's not hard to see why. This technology offers a unique blend of efficiency and creative support that has the potential to transform various fields. One of the most significant benefits of generative AI is its speed. Tasks that would take humans hours, days, or even weeks can be completed by AI in a fraction of the time. This opens up exciting possibilities for increased productivity and efficiency. Imagine a world where architects can generate countless building designs in minutes, or where writers can instantly produce different drafts of a story, exploring various creative avenues. Generative AI makes this possible. Moreover, generative AI acts as a powerful tool for creativity and innovation. It can help artists break through creative blocks, generate novel ideas, and explore new artistic styles. It can assist musicians in composing unique melodies or help filmmakers visualize stunning special effects. The applications are endless. Generative AI is not just about automating tasks, it's about augmenting human capabilities and unlocking new realms of creative expression. Section 4. The importance of guidance. Generative AI offers enormous potential, but it requires careful handling and guidance. One key limitation is its potential for inaccuracy. Models can produce incorrect or biased information, especially with incomplete datasets. Imagine an AI trained on news articles with factual errors. The AI might perpetuate and amplify these inaccuracies. Another concern is bias. AI models can inherit and amplify biases in their training data. This can lead to content that reinforces harmful stereotypes. Human oversight is essential to ensure responsible and ethical use of AI. Section 5. Beyond the hype. The world is captivated by the potential of generative AI. It's easy to get caught up in the excitement and imagine a future where AI handles all our creative tasks. However, it's crucial to look beyond the hype and understand the true nature of this technology. Generative AI is a tool, not a replacement for human ingenuity. It doesn't possess inherent creativity or consciousness. Its creations reflect the data and algorithms guiding it. The real magic happens when humans and AI collaborate, leveraging their unique strengths. The future of AI. Generative AI is still in its early stages, but its impact is already being felt across various industries. From art and entertainment to science and technology, AI is reshaping the world. As AI systems evolve, we can expect even more impressive feats. Imagine AI-powered tools personalizing education and developing life-saving drugs, or designing sustainable solutions to global challenges. The future of AI is not predetermined. It's up to us to guide its development and ensure it aligns with our values. Pause 2S. As we stand on the brink of this transformative era, it is crucial that we engage with AI responsibly. Whether you're a developer, a business leader, or simply an enthusiast, your role in shaping the future of AI is significant. Pause 1S. Stay informed, be proactive, and contribute to a world where AI serves the greater good. We all have a part to play in this journey. Pause 2S. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more easy tech breakdowns here at Enigma Tech World. See you in the next video.